Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, let me introduce myself. My name is Raditya Ramadhani with student ID number Y924190. Information System Study Program in Bina Sarana Informatika University Purwokerto. And this is my opinion about smoking in campus area. Enjoy the watching. Who don't smoke cigarette? A processed tobacco product rolled in paper. Almost all people in Indonesia are smoker. Even according to the Indonesian Health Survey in 2003, the number of active smoker in Indonesia is estimated to reach 70 million people. Behind the many smoker in Indonesia, cigarettes have many impact, but the negative impact are the most visible. Many smokers are students, such as college students. Then, if there are students who smoke in the campus area, of course, this is quite disturbing because, in addition to the smoke that pollutes the air, people around them can also be affected by the negative impact of the cigarette. The impact of smoking in campus area include air pollution, cigarette butt litter, and respiratory problems. The regulation prohibiting smoking in campus area needs to be amended and tightened in order to minimize students who smoke in the around campus area. Let's create healthy and smoke-free campus area. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, let me introduce myself. My name is Raditya Ramadhani with student ID number Y924190. Information System Study Program in Bina Sarana Informatika University Purwokerto. And in this time, I will show you the theme is delving into the mystery, understanding question word. Background Part 1. This presentation was made to fulfill the English language assignment for semester 1 at Bina Sarana Informatika University. Next, Background Part 2. This presentation aims to understand and master various types of the question word and how to compose correct question sense in English, and also learning question word is an important step in mastering English, because by asking question we can get the information we need. Purpose. This presentation was made to fulfill as English exam assignment, and of course this presentation is designed to ensure we really understand the concept of the question word and how to use them in English interrogative sense. What the question word is? Question word or interrogative word in English are words used to ask question. This word help us look for specific information about someone, something, place, time, reason, or manner. There are 6 the question word, or commonly known as 5W plus 1H, namely what, where, when, why, who, how. Next, main point. Number 1. What? What is one of the most commonly used question words in English? This word functions to ask what by the object, action, or information. Example number 1. Asking about object. A. What is that? B. What are you eating? Number B. Example asking question. A. What are you doing? B. What did you say? Example number 3. Request information. What's your favorite food? B. What will do you after this? Next. What is also often used the following form. What plus be plus subject. Example. What is your job? Number 2. What plus do or does plus subject plus verb. What do you like to do? Number 3. What plus verb plus subject. What happened? In essence, what is used to find out more specific information about something. Next, number 2. Where. Where is the question word used to ask where or a place. This word is used when we want to know location or place where an event occurred. The whereabouts of an object or where someone is. Number 1. Asking place. Example: A. Where is a kitchen? B. Where do you live? Example 2. Inquire location. A. Where is my laptop? B. Where is the dining room? Next. Where is often used the following form: when plus be plus subject. Example: where is the car? B. Where plus do or does plus subject plus verb. Where do you work? 3. Where plus did plus subject plus verb. Where did you go on vacation? In essence, where is used to find out information about a location or place. Next, number 3. When. When is a question word that used to ask when an event or incident occurred. This word is used to find out more information about time, both specific time, that, day, or more general time, like a morning, afternoon, yesterday. Example number 1, asking for specific times. A. When is your birthday? B. When does the show start? 3. When did you arrive? Example number 2, typical question times. A. When do you usually go home? B. When was the last time you saw him? C. When will you leave? Next, when is often used in the following form. Number 1, when plus do or does plus subject plus verb. Example, when do you go to school? Number 2, when plus did plus subject plus verb. When did you finish your homework? 3. When plus be plus subject. Example, when is the meeting? In essence, when is used to get information about when something happens. Next, number 4. Why. Why is a question word that used to ask the question or something or an event or action. In other words, we use why when we want to know reason behind something. Number 1. Asking the reason for the action. A. Why are you laughing? B. Why are you doing this? Number 2. Asking the reason for a situation. Example A. Why is the sky dark? B. Why is he so sad? 3. Asking the reason for the decision. A. Why did you choose this over the other? B. Why do you like this song? In essence, why is used to find out the reason behind an event or action. Number 5. Who. Who is a question word used to ask who. This word always refers to people or living creature. Number 1. Asking someone's identity. A. What is that woman? B. Who are you? Number 2. Asking the preparation of an action. A. Who broke the plate? B. Who called me? Next, number 6. How. This word how has several meanings, but the most common is to ask manner, how something is done or occurred, condition, the state or situation of something. Number 1. Example sentences of asking how. A. How do you make chocolate cake? B. How do you operate this machine? C. How were you able to solve that math problem? Example number 2. Sense asking about condition. A. How are you today? B. How do you feel after hearing the news? Number 3. Difference between how and what. A. How. Asking about process, method, or situation. Between B. What. Ask about specific object or information. Quick tips. A. Tips for memorizing question word. Number 1. Create example sentence. Connect each question word with an everyday situation. Example: who is your favorite singer? What is your hobby? Number 2. Song or rhyme. Make a simple song or rhyme that contains question word. This will make the memorization process more enjoyable. Number 3. Practice with a friend. Ask each other question using question word. B. Trick for using question word in daily conversation. Number 1. Start a conversation. Use question word to start a conversation with anyone. Example: Hi, how are you today? B. Show interest. Ask the question that show interest in the topic of the conversation. Example: why do you like eating savory food? Number 3. Get information. Use question word to get the information you need. Example: when is your holiday? Next. C. Tips for differentiating the use of question word. Number 1. Pay attention to the context of sentence. The right question word will depend on the other word in the sense of the meaning you want to convey. Number 2. Continuous practice. The more often you practice, the easier it will be for you to differentiate the use of question word. Number 3. Read and listen to English. Pay attention to how native speakers use question word in various situations. Practice example. See consultation. 5W1H is the key to being good communicator. Next. Thank you for watching.